Good morning everyone. Thank you all for joining. Today's focus is our market research, target audience, pricing, SWOT analysis and business plan. So let's ensure every department is aligned before our next phase. Okay. Mr. Abhilash, what is the most theoretical trend from our market research?
Customers increasingly want eco-friendly, affordable dining with transparent sourcing. This aligns perfectly with our mission.
Okay.
How confident are you in the market size predictions?
Based on surveys and computer analysis, demand is projected to grow by 12% annually in our sector. Ma'am, which audience segment should be prioritized as local or international?
Locals will be our foundation, but export makes provides capability and stronger margins.
Have you identified any legal or ethical risks in targeting international customers?
Yes, ma'am. We need to follow strict import and export laws, especially food labeling and safety. We've already started compliance works to private issues.
Miss Divani, what is our break-even point within the 3000 meal pricing?
Ma'am, we break even at about 200 meals per day at 15 demand forecast. We should comfortably within 3 weeks.
Do we have flexibility if supply cost increase again?
Yes, we can identify creating seasonal menus that highlight cost-effective ingredients while keeping prices stable.
Mr. Abhilash, what is our biggest opportunity right now?
Exporting preserve local dishes. Global demand for authentic flavors is rising.
Slightly how could internal weaknesses like staffing shortages affect finances? Staff shortages could increase overtime cost and affect service quality. That's why HR's hiring and retention plan is vital.
Mr. Ranjula, which external threats should we prepare contingency plans for?
And regulatory changes in food export and competition for international brands. We will integrate this with companies and a strong local identity.
Ms. Savitri, how do we ensure our team ready for scaling up the second location?
By training staff in leadership roles now, so we have ready-made supervisors for the next branch.
Can we sustain market campaigns while managing expansion costs?
Yes, we can budget fixed to 8% revenue for marketing as revenue grows, so that's control.
Ranjula, what is our legal priorities before expansion?
Securing safety certifications, intellectual property right for ban, and international trademark protection.
Okay, great insight from all departments. We are aligned on our strategy. Our next steps are expand menu, prepare for catering, and strengthen export operation. So let's encourage next month to review progress. Thank you.
Thank you.